The most picturesque Indians in Canada came in large numbers from their reservations to greet the Queen in Calgary. They wore tribal dress for the occasion, and just the right touch was added by a carpet of animal skins laid down on the royal approach. The warriors did their best to make the Queen feel she was in the frontier-type town that Calgary was not so many years ago. Now it's a rapidly growing city of about 200,000 people. The Indians were so delighted to meet the Great White Queen. It was hard to think of them as descendants of a fighting race that used to spread terror among the settlers. The famous Calgary Stampede is another reminder of frontier days. Main item of the performance, much appreciated by the royal visitors, was the chuck-waggon race. Calgary made a spectacular contribution to the enjoyment of the royal tour.